What's up, guys? We out here, man. We finna go get this, go in the stores to get this hit so we can go pick up this Max, man.
Let's do it.
Welcome in, guys.
Yeah.
So, man.
Oh yeah, you got that shit quick as hell. You need anything else?
I got it.
Y'all can see we're in the Mazda. We got the Mazda right here too. This nigga just be sitting on money.
Look, man, look back here, man.
Nigga be sitting on money.
We got the good shit,
We
man.
got the old school
Max. I got the brand new jack, baby.
Okay. See, we got the hitch. This nigga finna put it on. Alright, this is what we sliding though. So we gotta pull our heavy duty muscle for that shit. You feel me?
Put this on right now.
Let's see.
And it's the one, baby. You just hook the hitch in, hit the pin in.
We're ready to roll.
Look, grab it. Put that bitch in right here, baby. Ah, y'all already really got one right there. Look. You see how that thing light up? Ready to slide.
Feel me though, it's that time, so we finna go get the car. Get to it, man. Yeah.
We just gotta go pick up what we need. We got everything we need now. We just gotta go pick up the dolly and go get this shit started. So we're gonna get back with y'all when we hooking up and doing this shit. You know what I'm saying? We're hooking up like a tow truck. How boys, now we finna try to get the tow dolly and we finna go pick up the So, I bought the car the other day. Today the pickup. Got it locked and loaded. I'm finna go find the car wash, spray it off, clean some of that bullshit out of there, and take it to the house, put it in the garage. Let me show y'all something. Like this, you want to make sure the steering wheel locked. So you put your seatbelt in here so you can lock it tight. So it won't move. It won't move on.
Let me go. Let's hit the road, man.
Man, we picked that shit up like a motherfucking tow truck, man. You hear me, man? Like a repo truck. Hey.
What's really fun there?
I'm putting in that work today, man. Shout out to my guy, man. I ain't got my truck out here, but he fucked with me. He looked out for me. So it's only right we look out for him when he find his bill. And we gonna get this shit right. We gonna do this shit big, do this shit large. But and today we gonna get back with y'all. Thank y'all. Have a nice day. SFN, and we checking out, baby.
Started from the bottom, started in the jungle, made it out the shit, a nigga still kept it 100.